How to add your account on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your account on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here and click settings, and now we will find this one here, Google services, and not this one turn on sync. Click on it and then click add account, and here just add your account and then next and next, and it will be done. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.